In this video, I show you how to fix we could not confirm your identity. Make sure the ID clearly shows your name, photo and date of birth. Make sure the photo contains a valid ID. Don't take pictures of images displayed on screen problem. When you want to verify your identity on Facebook, you can see this error. First of all, make sure the ID clearly shows your name. Then this photo contains a valid ID. Follow this instruction. After following this instruction, you are also facing this problem. Then follow this method. Go to Google Chrome. Now search Facebook Help Center. Click on first link. Now search here confirm identity. Click on confirm identity. Click this link, confirm your identity on Facebook. Now tap on no. Now click on other. Then select. Now enter your problem here. Enter your username here, Facebook username. Please fix this problem. Then click on submit. Now I hope that this method fix your problem. We could not confirm your identity problem on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.